how to install Snapchat Pixel on Shopify with conversion tracking tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about how you're going to install Snapchat Pixel, so let's get straight into it. So to install Snapchat Pixel, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your apps and you're going to go into all recommended apps and go to Shopify App Store, okay? Now once you come over to your Shopify App Store, here you're going to search for Snapchat. Just simply search for Snapchat. No need to write Pixel or anything. Just go and write Snapchat. Now once you write Snapchat, it's going to give you all the different Snapchat apps, okay? So, you're going to get things like Snapchat Pixel Manager and all these things, but we're going to ignore all that. You're going to simply come over to Snapchat Ads, okay? So once you come over here, you're going to click on install. Snapchat Ads is essentially your Snapchat Pixel, okay? So once you go into Snapchat Ads, it's going to basically ask you to install Snapchat Ads into your store, and that is exactly what you're going to do. So you're going to add it to your sales channel. Once you do that, you're going to log in with your Snapchat account and connect it to your Shopify. Now once that is done, basically, as you can see in your settings section, obviously the servers right now are a bit glitchy on Snapchat, but that is how you're going to add it, and then you're just going to connect your Snapchat account with your Shopify, and that is how you can install Snapchat Pixel with your conversion tracking. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.